Hey everyone, today I have a really quick video for you. It's actually more of a public service announcement more than anything else, but I was just so excited about this news that I just couldn't wait to share it. And I want to apologize for my voice because I am sick, so I know I sound a little bit weird. But I figured as soon as I can sound um, recognizable, I would try and just make a video. So today I actually have three things that I want to share with you guys. Three new things that Avon is rolling out. Three incentives that are going to put more money in your pocket. So that's why I'm so excited. So the first thing, Avon is actually doing this for all representatives during the month of May. Now through May 31st, you will actually be able to place your orders without having to be charged any shipping fees. So all shipping fees have been waived for the month of May, whether it's a late order or an on-time order, or regardless of how big your order is. Normally, we're charged according to your order size. That's all gone. So whatever you order, place the order however many times you want to order. You will not be charged any shipping. So that's a great way to put extra money back in our pockets here and there. Extra couple of dollars for your customers. You can even place the orders right away. That way they do get their products as soon as possible without having to wait for the regular 2-week shipping date. So that's the first news, and that's for every representative. So if you haven't ordered for a while and you need brochures, go ahead, place some brochures, order the pack of brochures, have it shipped to you, share it with some customers, get the orders, place it with Avon, and get your stuff back real quick, fast, and in a hurry. If you have some items for yourself and your family that you need, go ahead and stock up. You're not going to pay shipping. So take advantage of that offer. It's open to all representatives. Also, in line with that, if you are having problems with YourAvon.com and you're not able to use the website, or if you normally just place your order by phone, you can actually place your order by phone with the help of a telephone specialist now through the end of May without having to pay that fee for the telephone orders. So you're getting free shipping. You can place your order by phone, have someone help you out with all those items, and not have to pay that extra cost. Great. The next thing I have is actually for new representatives. So if you've recently joined Avon and you haven't had a chance to place your first order yet, or you're scheduled to place your first order in campaign 12, I have great news for you. Avon has actually already credited your account with $10. So you have all just gained an extra $10 in your account. This is money that you can use for anything. Combine it with the free shipping that we have, order some extra brochures, stock up on some things for yourself and your family, open your medicine cabinets, go through and see what you're running low on, order those products. You will get your regular representative discount, which is 20% as long as your order is over $50, all the way up to 50% if your order is over $1,500 and change. So 20 to 50% off of your order, depending on your order size, your regular discount. Or if your order is $100 or more, you will actually automatically get the 40%. So whether it's an online order or in-person order, you'll get 40% off of your order, plus the free shipping, plus you're getting $10 back. So it breaks down in a couple of different ways. You could look at it this way. You could say, okay, well, I placed an order for $50, I'm getting my 20% off, and I'm also going to get an extra $10. You could say, okay, well, all I really need is an extra 5 brochures or extra 10 brochures. Let me just order the brochures. Those books will basically come to you for free because it costs about $5 and change for a pack of brochures, maybe $6 for a pack of 10 brochures. So all of that stuff could come for you for free. You could order your brochures, you could stock up on samples, whatever it is, whatever you order. If it's under $10, it'll come to you completely 100% free. Don't sleep on this. It's free money. Just take it, spend it, get something you like. Look through the brochure, find $10 worth of product that you need for your family, order that. I would actually encourage you though to go above and beyond. Step back a little bit, big picture moment here. So as a new representative, in your first 4 campaigns, you're actually entitled to 40% on all orders, whether it's an online order or an in-person order, as long as it's over $100. So when you get your $100 order, you will get your 40% off, so you would be paying Avon $60. You don't have to worry about shipping and handling because that fee has already been waived. So you would normally be paying $60, but since you have the $10 credit, you're actually going to be paying like $50 for that order. $50 off of a $100 order, you're basically getting 50% off. Normally, as you heard me say earlier, you would have to spend $1,500 to get that 50% discount. Now you will get that 50% off of your order if it's $100 or more. That's basically what it works out to. So take advantage. Stock up on stuff. Go through, find $100 worth of stuff that you need, place that order, and take advantage of that discount. If you're getting stuff for your family, you're saving $50. If you're placing an order for your customers, that's an extra $50 in cash in your pocket. Now, guys, I know some of you might be saying, okay, well, it's $10, that's no big deal. First of all, for those of you who've ever found money in the street, like, how often do you just find $10 or $20 just laying around? Very rarely. How often do you find $50 laying around? If you found that, just come sit next to me. Let me rub off some of that good luck, because it never has happened to me. When I find even $1 in the street, I'm like, yay, money. So take advantage of this. Use it. Don't let it sit there in your account, guys. Take advantage of this money. Avon has already put it into your account. It's not an incentive. It's not a bonus. It's just sitting there waiting for you to spend it. Don't sleep on it. The next way that this works out is, okay, those were already for representatives who are existing. Let's say you're a person who's been thinking about joining Avon, and maybe you don't have the $15, or your budget is tight, or you've kind of been on the fence about it and not sure if you really want to give it a try. Now is a great time to try it, because you could look at it this way. You could either say, okay, well, once I'm a representative, I will earn that $10 back and I'll be able to use it towards my first order if it's placed in campaign 12, get that 40% and all that good stuff that I just explained. Or you could look at it and say, okay, well, it's normally $15 to join Avon, and I do get samples and I do get full-size products, $25 worth of products. I can join Avon, get that $10 credit on my account. I'll essentially be paying $5 to join, getting $25 worth of products. You see where I'm going here with this? Yeah, okay. So join. I will put a link down below so that you can follow through and get signed up. You'll pay $15 to start, but your account will be credited. It's like getting a rebate. So you'll essentially be paying $5 to start with your business. It's a great investment, not only because you're getting that $25 in products and samples, but in the long run, you will continue to earn because it is a business. So for $5, like, come on. All right, guys. So that's it for now. That's all I wanted to share. I hope you guys are excited as I am, and I can't wait to see and hear from all of you guys. Reach out to me, reach out to your uplines and your district managers if you need help or if you have questions. Call the customer service number. They've got representatives on the line that can help you taking your order or, explaining whatever it is that you have questions about. We are here for you. You can tell because we just have money to be giving away like that. Yeah. All right, everyone. Have a great evening and looking forward to seeing you guys again. Hopefully, once I'm feeling better and not so nasally, I'll have more videos for you guys. All right. Bye.